Hello, welcome back to the Alt Phone channel. When you try to check for update on your iPhone or iPad, you might get the message, unable to check for update. An error occurred while checking for a software update. No worries. In this video, I will show you how to solve it and successfully install iOS 15 on your device. Let's get started. Method 1. Update iPhone using iTunes. First of all, ensure that your network is normal, and your iPhone has enough power and storage space. We launch iTunes on the computer. Then connect your iPhone. Tap Trust if prompted. Once detected, click on the iPhone icon. Then click the Check for Update button. We can see the prompt that iTunes will update your iPhone to iOS 15. Here we click Update to continue. iTunes will download the firmware, and then start updating for a few minutes. It's done. Let's go ahead and check it out. As you can see, we are on iOS 15 now. Method 2. Using Alt Phone iOS System Repair. Some users want a solution with higher success rate. Alt Phone iOS System Repair would be an excellent option. So download and open Alt Phone iOS System Repair on your laptop. Keep your iPhone connected. From the home screen, click Start button. Here are Standard Repair and Deep Repair. We select the Standard Repair, which could update without data losing. Download the firmware to a location with enough space. Then start repairing. It says that the repair is completed. Let's get back to our iPhone and check it out. As you can see, the software version has been successfully updated to iOS 15. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up. Have a nice day. See you.